I can't wait to show you guys our new Waterdrop osmosis water filtration system.
I'm so excited. We're gonna have some super pure water.
Yeah, really pure water, which is great for Arya since we need to still give her bottles. And
yeah.
She can have the best water we can get her.
And for some reason, I'm like super picky when it comes to water.
Yeah, Kaylee always says there's a weird taste in every water she has, so we'll put this to the test.
I only like the purest of waters.
The best of waters.
This is really nice.
Other products may take up to an hour to install, while the Waterdrop product can be installed within 30 minutes.
It has a very elegant look, and the tankless design makes its size even smaller, which helps save space under the sink. The system can fit in most kitchen sinks.
The Waterdrop G3 can reduce 99.99% of water impurities such as TDS, chlorine, heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and more.
So one of my favorite things about this is the cool lamp ring that's right here. As you can see, it has a blue ring around it, which is just indicating that the filters are perfect. Eventually that ring will turn yellow, showing that the filters need to be replaced soon, and then eventually red, saying they need to be replaced immediately. So the control panel monitors the water quality and has a digital TDS reading right on it, which is very convenient so you can see how pure your water is in real time.
So I'm taste testing the purified water and I'm super excited to try it out. That is so good. It's even better than our fridge water. I'm gonna start putting this in Arya's bottles and I'm gonna use this for the dogs. So now we're going to fill up a cup of water for Kinsley. This is her first time trying it as well. Only the purest of water for my little Kinsley. She's slurping it down. So I'm assuming she really likes it. Is it good, Kinsley? Yeah, that's good water. She gives it a thumbs up. So we are going to do Kinsley's interview in just a minute. But before we get into Kinsley's interview, Mason's going to tell you guys where you can buy this water filtration system to get super pure water.
If you guys want to go ahead and get a water filtration system for yourself, we'll have them linked down below in the description. You can get it on Amazon or you can get it from Waterdrop's website directly. We'll have them linked down below as well.